Today.
Yo, watch
We're
out,
running it
nigga.
today. All that shit you was talking.
What is that for?
This is for the proof. I don't want to hear no more.
If I beat you, give
Every
me
time
5
I hear a
haircuts.
5-point slow, I'm
You heard
sending
me?
this video.
You heard me?
Yeah.
If I beat you, you gotta give me 5 haircuts.
5 haircuts, yeah, for free. Yeah.
Alright,
But if I win, a stack.
that's what? A stack?
A bill.
Oh, alright.
Show me the cash. You know I got.
Huh?
So what's up? Are we finna race?
I don't know. Not recording.
You really think you finna win?
I know I am.
You know you finna win. You got something different under here that none of these guys got or something?
I'm different.
Oh, you different.
My shit feel different.
You're not different. You weird. 40 roll, all right. And what do you think is gonna happen? You're gonna just win that easy?
Bro, you barely beat the Daytona.
From a dig. Skinny ass tires.
Nah, man, watch it. And I don't look, record my tires, nigga. I don't want you to be like, oh, I'm gonna be spinning my dick off.
Huh, looks like you got tread to me, buddy.
I do.
You can hear his suspension, that motherfucker.
I mean, it started good at the end, though. Yeah.
I think we got. I think it's enough room, like right there. Or
Why don't y'all just do it right here?
Because that salt gonna end up making one of us slide too fast, and then that's gonna end up spinning us out. And then, say if I'm behind him and he end up spinning out, I can possibly.
Oh, that's nothing but salt right there?
Yeah, that's salt all right there.
Oh, I mean, I think I'll be alright, okay.
hey, is there a bigger spot down there at the end of Hobo?
No, not like this.
I mean, if y'all warm it up, y'all get like shit going first. Don't just go into it right away. Get it off.
like
you know
3
what I mean?
spins, nigga, stop. Oh, I'm trying to go to Texas on these tires, goddamn it.
You need a better tire than that.
No, bitch, I'm traveling to Texas on these.
Okay, so what do you need the tire?
I mean, I guess we can do it right there.
We should park over there.
Whatever you do, I'm gonna follow.
Hey, tell Christian to back up so I can park over there.
He said back up so he can park.
Yeah. Hey, how my shit look, Diamond? That shit was clean?
This fucking smoke blocked me.
I know, that shit started smoking up quick. Let me check out my tires. Oh, they sticky now. Shit. Ooh, it warm too. You better hide, man. I'm finna park by this one. Hey, man, go that way. Damn. Y'all see them rocks? I'm finna wave my car, man, if I get hit with one. His ass was like, I'm scared, man. When the police come? Yeah.
You better take off. That's like the. Yeah, it's right.
Bro, he spun it on the side.
Alright, cause you did what the fuck you did.
You spun it on the side.
You did spin that bitch in the salt.
Oh, it's probably salt in between. No, it'll come out.
Nah, it'll come out.
If you watch that bitch,
It's gonna grind out.
spin it going that way, but like.
Yeah, a little bit of salt got in between that shit.
That shit sound like something else. What the fuck?
Salt
Shit sound weird.
Salt
Yeah,
got in
it's
between
not
the
fully
brake.
out.
Yeah.
Got in between the
Wait,
pad.
watch that shit. Look. Oh, bro, you gotta tap the gas.
That shit not finna work. That shit not finna work.
He opened the door.
We running it? Yeah. Alright. If you see another video, if you all see differential shit or what?
Bitch,
Why didn't you spin it? Why didn't you spin it?
Because you're a bitch. Hey, can I go?
pick me up, pick me up.
Get the other side. Out the window now. Trust yourself. I know. Yeah. Oh man, now you too gentle, bitch. I'm gonna get my ass wet. Oh no. Just hold it up.
Put me under the stick.
Dylan's behind you.
Oh, there you go. That shit funny.